Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss one more question of CSI and JRF. The question is from linear algebra, as you can see here, and the question is from June 2015. Okay, June 2015. Uh, I'm I have tried to solve this question very easy way and in tricky method. Okay, now let us start to solve this question. First of all, we will try to understand the question. As you can see here, let A is an m cross n matrix with rank n. Okay, with real entries, then choose the correct one. As you can see here, uh, it is given that the rank of matrix is n. Okay, so there are four options. Ax equal to b has a solution for any b. Ax equal to 0 does not have any solution. If Ax equal to b has a solution, then it is unique, and y dash, it means the y transpose of y times of a equal to 0 for some non-zero y, where y dash is the transpose of vector y. Okay, then which one or among all or four are correct? Okay, because the question is from part C. So okay, if A is m cross n matrix and it is given that the rank of A is n, it means the number of these are the number of columns. Okay, it means the determinant of the matrix is not 0. Okay, because rank is n and n is the number of columns. Okay, it is given that also m is greater than n. Okay, so rank of matrix n implies that determinant not 0, and if the determinant of a system of linear equation is not equal to 0, it means it has a unique solution. Okay, so the system Ax equal to b has a unique solution. Okay, so the first option says Ax equal to b has a solution for any b. Exactly, it is true because it has a solution. Okay, it has a solution. So the correct option is correct. In the second option, Ax equal to 0 does not have a solution. Obviously it is wrong. Okay, if Ax equal to b has a solution, then it is unique. It is correct option. Okay, as you can see here, because determinant not equal to 0, it means rank of the matrix is n, and it means it has a unique solution. Now for the fourth one, the D option, y dash a equal to 0 for some y. So we take let y equal to 1 0 as a vector, and a is we can take a matrix 2 cross 2 matrix, which is, but one condition is that this is not true, that is the m is not greater than n, because here you can see I have taken a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, with rank 2, because rank is m. So if we take the is 2 cross 2 matrix and rank is n, so it means here rank is 2. Okay, now multiply y transpose of a, it means 1 0, multiply by 1 0 1 1 0 2, we get this matrix. Okay, this one row and two column matrix, which is not equal to 0, but he says a dash equal a dash y dash a equal to 0 for some non-zero y, but in our counter example it is not equal to 0. That means the option D again incorrect. So A and C are correct, B and D are incorrect. I hope you got it, but if you have any kind of doubt, or if you don't clear this question, please write in comment section, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.